Alright, guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos for today. So, I've been out in the garden today and doing some of my videos on these videos here in pretty much fast videos. Now, I wanted to do a narration on the top of here because I don't think you could do it beforehand. But I've just noticed you can do it in the video editor on the Samsung Galaxy S6. So I'm just doing a quick video, even though it's in 1080p. So basically, I'm just cleaning up the garden, trying to get rid of all this bloody crap off the nettles, stinging nettles and the roots off this side of the fence. So I was using my camera, the 360 degree camera, to record all the footage. Not in 360, but I did it in 180 so you could see what I'm actually doing. And you can see me in really fast mode. Basically, I've got the time lapse on, so you'll be able to see what I'm actually doing in the time lapse. So you see me really fast up and down, and I'm putting all that into the green bins to put the green bin out for next week. So I'm putting all the grass in it. It's almost filled up. To be honest, they should have made bigger ones for, like, not sort of. I mean, this is not a small garden. This is pretty much I'd say, what's that, a medium-sized one, Emma? Would you say a medium-sized garden that we got? Yeah, medium-sized. So, I mean, it is what it is. And I thought, because I got my shed, as you can see, I've got my shed down the bottom there, guys and girls, as well. So you can actually see that. But anyway, it's the 21st of April. Yeah, 21st of April, 2019, today. So, I was just doing this before. I was doing this for about 4 hours today. So, I'm just uploading different clips for each one. But anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this episode, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. I will be uploading some more. Cheers for watching and stay safe all.